10 Fastest Motorcycles in the World. Number 10. Suzuki GSX 1300R Hayabusa. With abundant power and all-around performance, the Hayabusa's introduction to the market in 1999 was a monumental occasion with a record-setting top speed of 194 miles per hour. Somehow Suzuki managed to control the 197 horsepower engine and make one of the fastest motorcycles in the world enjoyable to ride regularly. Number 9. MV Agusta F4CC. MV Agusta F4CC is an exclusive piece of motorcycle history. The world's fastest bike price or investment was of no concern. All 100 units produced incorporate carbon fiber fairings, titanium exhaust, and more than 90% tailor-made components. Fine adjustments are scattered throughout the engine, including changes to the geometry of the connecting rods and larger intake valves. Number 8. Aprilia RS V4 1100 Factory. Aprilia's flagship motorcycle is no slouch. As one of the fastest sport bikes in the world, the RS V4 1100 Factory features a powerful V4 producing 217 horsepower. A dual-beam aluminum chassis connect to Öhlins fork front suspension to provide premium road handling. It reached the podium 9 times in its first full season of World Superbike racing. Number 7. Ducati Panigale V4 R. V4 R is reserved for track-only use. Ducati also produces a similar street-legal version of the Panigale, the Ducati Superleggera V4. Its claim to fame is an unbeatable power-weight ratio of 1.54 horsepower per kilogram. Adhering to the gentleman's agreement to limit mass-produced street-legal motorcycles to 300 km per hour, the Ducati Superleggera V4 top speed is electronically limited to 186 miles per hour, 299 km per hour. Number 6. Damon Hypersport Pro. The Damon Hypersport Pro meets those baseline features with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3 seconds, a 200-mile range, and bold styling. Damon takes the Hypersport Pro a step ahead as one of the fastest bikes in the world, top speed in kilometer per hour of 321, 200 miles per hour. Number 5. Ducati 1199 Panigale R. The Ducati 1199 Panigale R is a different bike from the past. Its 2-cylinder engine has titanium rods, finely tuned engine mapping, and a super light flywheel, combining to push out 202 horsepower and a top speed of 202 miles per hour. Number 4. Lightning LS 218. Lightning LS 218 starting with its top speed of 218 miles per hour and 0 to 60 miles per hour in a minuscule 2.2 seconds. Brembo 4-piston calipers, and a billet aluminum adjustable swing arm. The IPW liquid-cooled 150 kW motor recharges in just 30 minutes with a DC fast charger. Number 3. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. The race-only Kawasaki Ninja H2R will catapult you up to 240 miles per hour. Those looking for a street-legal version can purchase the Kawasaki Ninja H2 instead, which has a still impressive top speed of 209 miles per hour. Number 2. Kawasaki Ninja ZX14 R Supersport. Featuring a powerful 1441cc inline-4 engine, the race-only Kawasaki Ninja ZX14 R Supersport can tear down the strip at 249 miles per hour, lending itself the nickname the King of the Quarter Mile. Number 1. MTT420RR. Marine Turbine Technologies knows how to achieve top speed on a motorcycle. The 420RR is their latest design and pushes the top speed to an astonishing 273 miles per hour, overshooting their predecessor MTTY2K bike's top speed of 250 miles per hour. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe and we will be back soon with another video.